guys, today in the shop we got a Lexus GS350, and we're gonna be doing the valve cover gaskets on it and spark plugs.
As you can see over here, you have to take off the intake manifold, and the this is the S4 Plus intake actually, so you have to take that off.
OEM Plus, eh?
Yeah, that's OEM X Plus. Because this is a full half front wheel drive and half rear wheel drive, so therefore we have to take off that intake in order for the car to run. So
we just picked it up, and if you guys didn't know, let me show you how much mileage this thing has. Look at that, 500,000 kilometers, 500,000 kilometers, and this thing starts and runs like a dream. There's no funny sounds or anything. We'll start it up after and show you guys. But the body is clean. There's no rust on the body. A lot of the GS's have rust right here. This one doesn't have any rust. The engine bay could use a good detail and after we're done, but yeah, this valve cover leak is pretty bad. It's oil's all over the place. Look in front here. We had to take out all of these bolts that hold on the intake plenum. Some of these bolts are seized, so we're using a T30 Torx and an extension. We put it on there and tap it in with the hammer to shock it a little bit to break it loose. And that way we don't have to worry about stripping the heads. These are they're 5mm hexes. Alright, so we just took the intake plenum off. It's not too hard. There's a couple of hidden bolts, two at the back, one beside the throttle body over there.
You guys need
And then there's one that goes in there. Right, so now we're just gonna, we couldn't get the gaskets, so we're gonna clean up the top here and throw a little bit of ultra grade gasket maker on it and hold it down for now until the gaskets come in. Alright, we got everything out the way now, and is unbolt the valve covers, and then we can change the gaskets. Alright, we got both valve covers off. We got the old gaskets out. Got the new gasket in here, and our tech here is just lubing up one of the tube seals so that it makes it easier to put in.
I'm not no tech, understand me? I am not a technician.
So where are you then?
I am a professional student. Me, I do apprenticeship. I don't know what I'm doing here. This side go up, down, up.
You gotta go, sir.
Here you come.
Nah, you should just slide in there,
Bismillah.
Aye? Watch how the thing slide in there easy, man.
Yeah, bye.
Good. Alright, next one.
Yeah, I think I'll put it on this.
You don't need too much grease, you know. Now watch how you slide in there easy,
Aye.
man.
Bada bing, bada boom.
You can be a certified Toyota Lexus mechanic after this, you know.
Nah, good.
You don't want to do that.
No.
What, Mac? You like pull wire, nah?
Yeah.
Shucks, bye.
It's like, I know what it's like. What? You're like, sometimes in life, you don't get everything you want.
You gotta make do with what you got.
Exactly. See, like me make do with that pole.
You can see this professional student.
I am not the professional student once again. Oh, also, sorry Abdurrahim. Abi miss out on Abi weekly lecture. But Abi get stuck in a pickle there.
The shop owner said the car got come out by so that's why I had to miss out today. I'm sorry. I will go come next week though for sure.
Inshallah. Inshallah we go come.
Inshallah.
That guy needs inshallah too, you know.
I watch how the thing slide in there like he make for go there by.
Eh, maybe you make for go there. We got ask Toyota.
Yeah, ask Toyota na. Me know that I make this thing. I felt pro make this thing, but
that's what I'm saying. We got asked for Toyota if this thing make for go in there and not. But I see we have put some lube there. You can never go wrong with lube, right?
watch. This you gotta go so. This side gotta tap. He gotta go here.
Sorry, boss.
Good.
Sorry.
Alright. Take your cloth now and give him one more wipe.
Hold on.
What you gonna clap there?
You buy a car with 500,000 kilometers?
Yo, does ask yourself that in the mirror?
Man, this thing done half your life.
Famous words of this man father.
Oh, why you buy this car? Famous words.
This valve cover is almost on, but somebody dropped a bolt
No.
and we can't find it.
The boat decided to walk out. He think he's a big man.
Oh, it dropped out from the socket.
Yeah. He said, oh, I'm a big man. I do what I want.
You know, I go back home where you belong.
Gasket. Stupid. Rich.
This man vex he can't find the bolt. Eh, you find something or what?
Fine, cool, but you see? That's what happened when you did play bad.
Not even 5 seconds. And the man find the bolt. This car like for hiding by. Alright, we got the intake plenum all bolted in and torqued up. Throttle body is all tight. Now we just gotta put in these banjo bolts with the oil screen filter. So we're cleaning up inside there. Throw in the air box. And then we're done. We can fire her up and see how she runs. Technician struggling to put in the battery. Alright, she's all back together, everything's in. Gotta cycle the key and then we're gonna start her up and see what's going on. Yo, cut off! We had to cut off because this thing's leaking oil like crazy.
Is that 17?
Alright, start number 2, let's see.
Garage a little more.
Yo, shut up! Shut up! Start attempt number 3. Yo, cut off! Cut off! Well, you ran into an issue. We're gonna try something. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, then we gotta figure out something else. Attempt number 4. Cut off! We're gonna try tightening up this thing some more and see if it makes a difference or if it strips out.
It's actually tight, bro.
That thing is tight.
Show this guy. This guy's the expert. Vernier caliper. Can you tighten this?
Aircraft mechanic.
Yeah, come.
The man's gonna say this thing's not within specs.
Bismillah. Oh,
That's it?
that's it, bro. It's tight.
Real?
It's not tight.
It's not tight though. It's still leaking.
You're lying.
Well, I'm not liking
With the
it.
crush gasket on too?
Yeah, bro.
I just want some more. What did you guys gonna do?
Put it on there. Let me
But like
see.
it's still leaking.
Put it
bro.
on there. What do you think? You want me to turn it? Or you think that's
Just
okay?
start cranking over again and
All right, go. I think we're good. All right, the car is running. It's been idling for a little bit. We haven't seen any more oil leaks. This fix is holding up for now. We're gonna see if we can get a replacement valve cover and just keep it for when that fails. But until then,
a solid fix, yo. It's a good fix.
you know this is always some kind of stupidness. Anytime we gotta work on car, middle of winter, there's always some kind of stupidness.
All the problems only happen in the winter.
Hey guys, so it's been a couple days since this guy was giving us trouble, leaking all over the place and stuff. So far as the update goes, that fix, solid. But we'll keep an eye on it and see if it starts to leak, then we're gonna have to figure out something else for this valve cover.